Welcome to this guided meditation. Today, we're going to embark on a unique journey into the heart of the labyrinth. And as we walk, let's keep in mind that this labyrinth is not just a physical path, but a symbolic representation of our life's journey. Daily meditation. It's the antidote to worries, stress, and nonstop thinking. For some people, it's like breaking out of the mental prison to find paradise. People suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, and they lead to physical illnesses. So many people turn to medication for the answers, and the answers are inside you. Meditation will help you with all that stuff and more. It's actually the best way to start the day. It only takes a couple minutes. Why don't you hang around? Give it a try. Let's begin by standing at the entrance of the labyrinth. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Let's take a big breath in, hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly. As we step into the labyrinth, let's set our intention for our walk. It could be a question that you seek an answer to, a problem that you're trying to solve, or simply just a desire for peace or clarity. Hold this intention in your heart as we begin our walk. Now with each step, feel the energy of your feet grounding to the earth. You can feel the solidness of the earth beneath you. Underneath your path, you can trust it. It's always there, connecting you to the world around you. Now, as we walk, let's keep in mind that the labyrinth is a metaphor. It's a metaphor for our life's journey. There are twists and turns, just like in life. Sometimes we get feeling lost, or just remember that every step is part of that journey. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the rhythm of your steps. Are they kind of like a song or a melody as you head towards the center? You're uniquely you. As we approach the center of the labyrinth, let's take a moment to reflect. The center represents our inner self, our true essence. It's a place for introspection and realization. As you stand at the center, take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Feel the peace and tranquility that comes from being in touch with your inner self. And now it's time to begin our journey back out of the labyrinth. This part of the journey symbolizes our path back into the world, carrying with us the insights and the wisdom that we've gained. And as we walk, let's remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Every step, every breath, every moment is precious. And as we approach the exit of the labyrinth, let's take a moment and express gratitude. Gratitude for the journey, for the insights, and the peace and clarity that we have found. And now, as we step out of the labyrinth and back into the world, carrying with us the wisdom and peace that we found within, thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, the labyrinth is always there, ready to guide you on your path to self-discovery and inner peace. Thank you for meditating with me. I hope you've enjoyed this sunrise, and I hope this brightens your day. If you enjoyed this time together, please let me know in the comments. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you love. Help me spread some sunshiny meditations in the morning. Peace and love.